Welcome again, everyone. I am Sean Lim, the Senior Vice President of EC Council, and I'm thrilled to personally invite each and every one of you to join us at the most electrifying information security event in Mexico, Infosecurity Mexico, happening this year. I cannot wait to share with you the remarkable impact our organization and network of partners have been making since 2003. EC Council is not just any cybersecurity certification body. We are the absolute leaders in the field, operating in over 145 countries worldwide. Over the years, we have trained and certified more than 350,000 infosecurity professionals across the globe. Our member-based organization offers internationally recognized programs endorsed by renowned security agencies, including the US federal government and the National Security Agency, amongst many others. We are the authority when it comes to certifying professionals in the information security field. And now we are making a grand entrance at this event. I'm delighted to announce that we have an incredible program at the conference lined up for you. Our esteemed certified trainer and prominent cybersecurity professional in Latin America, Mr. Mario Farias, will captivate you with his insights into secure programming. He will demonstrate how a programmer can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. There's more. We have invited a renowned cybersecurity consultant, Mr. Levi Riza, who is widely recognized in the education field in Mexico. He will be hosting an exhilarating competition called Capture the Flag with EC Council. And the best part, you can register for free and not only stand a chance to win fabulous prizes, but also gain invaluable experience. Now, this competition will put your hacking skills and defensive expertise to the test in real-life scenarios. Will you emerge as one of the top 5 most skilled cybersecurity professionals at this event? Join us and find out. That's not all. As part of the commitment to nurturing talent, we at EC Council are investing over $3 million to develop the next generation of cybersecurity experts worldwide. If you dream of embarking on a career in cybersecurity, seize this opportunity. We are offering 20 lucky individuals the chance to win a scholarship to become a certified cybersecurity technician, or CCT. As a scholarship recipient, you will receive a unique entry-level technical course that will be partially funded by EC Council. We will cover your fees for instruction, your courseware, practical hands-on labs, challenges, and live cyber range activities. You'll gain the latest skills in network defense, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. So don't delay. Apply for the scholarship and secure one of the limited 20 spots available for this exceptional training opportunity. Before I wrap up, I want to extend a special invitation to all professionals and business leaders out there. Make sure you visit our booth at this event and explore partnership opportunities with EC Council, or find out how we can serve your organization through our various cybersecurity solutions. Thank you, everyone, and I wish you an unforgettable experience at Infosecurity Mexico. Let's harness the power of knowledge, skills, and collaboration to contribute to a better and safer cybersecurity landscape. Goodbye, and let the excitement begin. Thank you.